Hey yo, this pressure's all up on me. Dreams fly past, I just watch the sky. You know the feeling when you made it and your mother cry. The motivation when you hated by them other guys. Growing up, the block hot as the month of July. I'm never leaving the game, so I just say goodnight. It's like a toy store, I'm touching everything in sight. Yeah, that's why they look at me when the mic's on. And them girls fall in love when the lights off. You can make it if you go for your dreams. Couldn't do it, now I overachieve. What y'all niggas never believe, but nobody better than me. So what they telling me? One for the city that I'm from, two for the troubles in life. Fucking shit gotta overcome. My mindset is get it done. I hate let down, so I'm never giving up. You with it or what? My brothers, my people, you in your own world. Keep dreaming, dreaming. They throw shade, don't see it. Where we at now? Can't believe it. Keep dreaming, dreaming, dreaming. No, I've been rolling around so many towns, still the keystone holding me down. Yo, I'm focusing now. Everybody got hope in me now, so I can't get my dream up. I'm fresh, fatigued up. Yes, I need bucks, grinding, it's a lot of that. Waiting around, you ain't getting nothing out of that. Hit the tracks with no school, I'm young and so smooth. Old schoolers know that I won't lose. Philly where they say it's always sunny, and ain't nothing changed, it's all about money.